What's going on, Mother Truckers? This is a extremely serious topic, so I just want to start off by saying, as truck drivers, if you see something that just doesn't seem right, definitely call the authorities. There's a lot of things that happen at truck stops, especially because they're in the middle of nowhere, that just seem sketched out. And so if you see someone that looks like they're in trouble, um, definitely reach out to authorities on that. I'll put descriptions down below on that. But Mother Truckers, a friend of mine sent me this, and he was like, "Didn't we see this truck driver?" And I'm looking back, and I'm thinking because I think I've seen this guy at the 595 truck stop before. And I'm filming, I'm looking around, I'm trying to look at my video clips, and I couldn't find the video clip, but I definitely have seen this driver. And in this news clip, the story is kind of interesting as far as it's, I don't know, I don't want to say it doesn't make sense, but basically what they're saying is in Delaware about 8 months ago, this truck driver picked up a lot lizard, and she was looking for some business, and so she jumped in the truck with him. Next thing you know, he holds her captive for 8 months.
At 5:30 tonight, this man is in jail, accused of holding a woman captive for months.
And then in the news article, they talk about how he was forcing and intimidations and all these strategies, and he actually punched her and knocked out her teeth as well. And so because of that, she's been stuck against her will inside this semi truck for 8 months. But a part of the story that just sounds crazy is he had an 18-year-old daughter in the truck as well.
On top of all that, the report shows there was also a child inside the truck. The report says that person is Johnson's child, his daughter.
And so as a truck driver, it's just, I'm not saying it's hard to believe. I'm just saying that you got to go out, you got to take showers, you got to get fuel. I'm not saying that this didn't happen. I'm just saying the story just seems kind of off, and I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of details. But basically, she says that the truck driver fell asleep, and then she grabbed his phone, called her mom, and at that point, her mom called the police, and he woke up, got scared, and he dropped her off at a Flying J.
The trip started when the two met in Delaware. She escaped 8 months later when he brought her to the Flying J truck stop in Cocoa.
So, I don't know. Like, it just seems off to me a little bit. But the main part about this video is that if you see something that just doesn't look right, truck drivers, call the authorities. Someone might need help.